Hey friends, do you want to learn English fast while making new friends at the same time? Imagine speaking confidently, joining conversations, and practicing naturally without boring textbooks. Today, in day 16 of shadowing English speaking practice, I'll guide you step by step so you can improve your fluency, boost your confidence, and connect with people from all around the world. Stay with me because this lesson might just change the way you practice English forever. Welcome back to another exciting day of practice. Today, our focus is simple but powerful. Learn English fast, make new friends in English. Why this topic? Because English is not just grammar rules, it's communication. The fastest way to improve is to use English in real conversations. And when you combine that with shadowing practice, you'll see results much quicker than you imagine. Shadowing means listening carefully, repeating immediately, and copying pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. It's like training your mouth and brain to work together. And when you do this while imagining real conversations with friends, you create the same environment as natural speaking. Think about this. Every friend you make in English is also a free teacher. You don't pay for it. You just practice and enjoy. Making friends in English gives you real-life practice, motivation to speak more, and cultural exchange with fun. For example, if you meet someone online who loves movies, you can say, "Hey, what's your favorite movie?" Then shadow their answer and repeat it out loud. This simple method turns friendship into learning. Let's start our shadowing exercise for today. Repeat after me as naturally as possible. Don't worry about being perfect, just focus on rhythm and confidence. I want to learn English fast, so I practice every single day. Making new friends in English helps me speak without fear. Shadowing English speaking practice is my secret tool. Good. Keep going. Now, let's try a short dialogue you can practice with a friend. A. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from? B. I'm from Brazil, and you? A. I'm from India. How long have you been learning English? B. For about 6 months. I want to get better every day. Now, shadow both sides of the conversation. Pretend you are both speakers. This will train your listening and speaking at the same time. Many learners say, I understand English, but I cannot speak. Why does this happen? Because you don't practice with your voice. Reading and listening are not enough. You need mouth practice. That's why shadowing works like magic. When you shadow daily, you build muscle memory. Your tongue, your lips, your voice, they all become comfortable with English sounds. And when you add friendship to this method, you are no longer studying alone. You are enjoying communication. This is the fastest, most natural way to learn. Here are some real tips you can use to make friends in English. Join online communities, Facebook groups, Telegram channels, or language apps. Ask open questions instead of yes or no. Ask, what do you like to do in your free time? Share your progress. Say, I'm practicing shadowing English speaking every day. Want to try together? Be consistent. 1 conversation per day is more powerful than 10 conversations in 1 week. This is the secret to learning English fast. Practice and build connections. Your future self will thank you. Now let's challenge ourselves with longer sentences. Repeat after me. I believe that the best way to learn English fast is to practice with real people and never be afraid of making mistakes. Every friend I make in English is another chance to improve my speaking skills and learn something new about the world. The more I shadow, the more natural my English sounds, and the more confident I feel in conversations. Remember this, English is not a subject, it's a skill, just like playing guitar, riding a bike, or swimming. You cannot learn by reading about it. You learn by doing it. So every time you shadow this video, imagine you're talking to a new friend. Imagine the smile, the response, the real conversation. This mental trick will make your practice powerful and real. Here's a simple 20-minute routine for you. 5 minutes, listen to a short conversation. 5 minutes, shadow it line by line. 5 minutes, record yourself and compare. 5 minutes, chat with a real friend online using the same sentences. If you do this daily, your progress will be 10 times faster. Let's try another dialogue together. A. Hey, do you want to practice English together? B. Sure. I want to learn English fast. How do you practice? A. I usually shadow conversations. It helps me sound natural. B. That's interesting. Let's try shadowing now. Repeat both sides. Smile while practicing. Enjoy the process. So, today we learned 3 big ideas. Learn English fast by practicing daily. Making new friends in English gives you real-life practice. Shadowing English speaking practice connects listening and speaking together. If you combine these 3, your English will grow faster than ever. Thank you for practicing with me today in day 16 of shadowing English speaking practice. Remember, every friend you make in English is a door to fluency. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more daily shadowing practice. Together, we'll make English learning fun, natural, and fast. See you tomorrow for day 17.